Hey guys, what's up? It's Andy Fogarty here for KingMetals.com, and today we're going to talk about a quick little tip for troubleshooting your MIG gun. So we've had a few videos on this channel going over just sort of MIG gun maintenance and taking care of it, and replacing your liner, tips, nozzles, that kind of thing, and where things should be for optimal usage. Now the feedback on those has been great, but it's also brought in quite a lot of questions, and a lot of them seem to be around the same type of thing, and that's when people are changing their liner or their nozzle and they're having issues with sparks and weird shortages and lights flickering and that kind of thing. So I thought today I'd go over real quick just a simple way to be able to tell if your gun is set up properly. So let's get into it. So the majority of these questions have come in after we've changed our liner. So I'm gonna go ahead and take apart my gun and show you where everything should be sitting after you've replaced your liner. So we're gonna take our nozzle off, and we're gonna take off our tip. I'm probably gonna have to snip this. All right, so you can see right here already, the liner is not coming out of here. So that liner is not gonna be touching this tip. So let me undo the rest of our gun here. And we'll see. Okay, so you can see from here just how far out that liner is coming off the very end of this. Now I can undo this some more, but it doesn't make any sense to do that because you can see right on this first tip, that's about how far my liner is coming out. Now you can probably come out a little bit longer, but the important thing is that your liner is not actually touching your tip. If your liner is coming out and touching your tip, that's way too long, and that is definitely going to give you some shorting out problems and overheating for sure. So we can see just how deep this tip actually goes. It's not going to go too far in there, right? Your threads are only going to allow you to go so far. And the same goes for this part of the tip. Threads are only going to go down so far in there. So you can see my liner should really only be coming up to kind of where this first set of holes here is. And then my tip itself is only going to be coming down to there. So I've still got a good almost a ½ inch there of where the liner shouldn't even be coming close to this tip. So if your liner is coming out farther than ¼ of an inch, maybe a little bit longer is about as long as you can really stand to have it. If it's coming out any longer than that, that is way too far and you need to cut it back a little bit. Alright guys, that's it for this one. I hope this quick tip kind of helps you out if you're having some issues with sparks or overheating or your lights flickering, as one person actually left this comment about. Try this, make sure that your liner isn't coming out too far and touching your tip. Definitely a no-no, and that would definitely cause some problems. So hope this quick tip helped you out, and I'll see you guys in the next one.